Nagbabalik na naman guys ang tambalang Vice Cosmetics and Mama Anne, and I'm so happy kasi binalik nila yung mga gel liner pencils nila and meron silang mga dinagdag na shades, and also meron tayong new products from this collaboration. Ito yung PR kit nila for this collaboration. If you wanna get this bundle, available ito sa mga Vice Cosmetics stores. And for this collaboration, lahat dito ay mga eye products. So mga eyebrow products and also eyeliner products. Wala lang mascara, but all of them are eye product. And meron silang binalik na product from their first collaboration, which ay yung mga gel liner pencils nila. And guys, super MVP talaga yung kanilang gel liner pencils. For their first collaboration, they only have 2 shades sa kanilang gel liner pencils. But for this collab naman, nagdagdag sila ng another shade, which is a white shade naman. So this is what they call Fresh Yan White, or ito yung kanilang clean white. And yung purpose ng white eyeliners is to make your eyes look wider, not really wider, but more like rounder and bigger. The eyeliner that I use naman to make my eyes look wider ay yung shade na brown or ang black, but mostly brown for an everyday makeup look. And this is what I'm sporting right now. It's such a subtle eyeliner and parang contour siya for the eyes for me. It's like a brow lift. It lifts my eyes in a very natural, very low-key kind of way. Sobrang happy ko na binalik nila to dahil napakaganda ng formula ng kanilang gel liner pencils. I mean, it's so budge-proof, waterproof. Hindi siya magta-transfer on your lower lids like what normally happens when you tight line your eyes with black eyeliners. All of their products sa kanilang mga collaboration are all limited edition. So if you like these formulations, I highly recommend na mag-hoard na kayo. So those were the eyeliners. Now let's head on to their brow products. So nag-release sila ng 2 types of brow products. So meron tayo ng brow pen nila and brow pomade. So for their brow pomade, they released 2 shades. Actually, for both brow pomades and brow pens, they only released 2 shades. So for brow pomade, we have Sweet Lang and Bongacious Brown. Basically, yung Sweet Lang is a cool tone shade, which ma-recommend ko sa mga kasing kulay ko ng hair. And sa Bongacious Brown naman is a warm tone kind of shade. So, ito naman ma-recommend ko sa mga girls na merong hair coloring or specifically warm tone na hair color. Actually, yung mga brow pomades, guys, I haven't used them for so long. Like, I think the last time I used brow pomades was in like 2017 because I don't know, it's such a 2015, 2016 product. Yung time na nag-boom talaga yung Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pomade and just the makeup industry in general, it was the height of brow pomades. And it's just so nostalgic to be able to see them again and for a brand to offer them again. If this were 2015 to 2017, siguro I would super hype up brow pomades, but currently, I'm more of a brow pencil type of girl, specifically mga micro brow pencils because mas travel-friendly siya, mas madali siyang i-apply on the brows. But with my preferences aside, yung performance niya ay maganda, and I also like their dual-ended applicator. Actually, both ends are really good because yung spoolie niya ay angled, and also you can bend it however you please. And even when you bend it, guys, to an angle that you want, when you brush it up and, you know, move around the product on your brows, hindi sumasayaw yung spoolie, which is I'm so here for. Kasi nakakairita talaga, guys, kapag sumasayaw yung spoolie. Like, you can't brush up your brows however you wanted to or spread out the product because the spoolie just moves around. But this one, steady pulse lang siya. It's just chill. Ganun siya. Very manageable. And their angled tip brush naman ay napaka-fine, napaka-sharp, which means you can mimic mga brow hairs. And speaking of mimicking your brow hair to make a feathered brow look, meron silang brow pens. Again, they released 2 shades. So we have here Gora Gray, which is slate gray siya, and Betchicles Brown, which is yung ash brown nila. And yung Gora Gray, I recommend that you pair it up with their, anong shade ngayon ulit? Sweet Lang Brown. Ayan. And yung Betchicles Brown naman, I recommend that you pair it up with their Bongacious Brown na pomade. Okay? So that's what I did. I used the brow pomade first, and then I applied their brow pen to feather out my brow head. Although mas interested ako to observe how it performs throughout its shelf life, kung mabilis ba mag-dry out yung brow pen nila, and if it's still sharp throughout my use of it. Of course, sharp pa siya ngayon dahil bago ko pa lang siya nabuksan, but we'll see kung maganda pa rin siya throughout my use. I'll update you naman on my Instagram. By the way, if you haven't been following me, follow me on my Instagram for makeup updates. So it's at Makeup by Booya, and you can also shoot your makeup questions there. Let me know in the comment section below kung alin sa mga products yung napupusuan nyo, and if you've tried the gel liner pencils. If hindi pa, you better check it out, sis. Available sila in the description box below. If gusto niyo pang tumambay sa channel ko at mag-marathon pa, then I have a lip swatch playlist right here for you. And for my medium to pushing large frame girls, I have a Shopee haul playlist just for you. So just click this playlist right here. And of course, kung subscribe na rin kayo sa channel ko. If you like this video, then please do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video. If you have any more comments or video suggestions, then please do enter them down in the description box below. Just remember, no hate, just love.